In this video, I will show you how to download Facebook information. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Facebook. Now, in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is press onto your profile icon. So that's either going to be in the top right hand corner or the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And once you've done this, you just want to scroll down the page until you see the option for settings and privacy, and then just go ahead and press onto this. What this is going to do is bring up some more options, and from here you want to press onto settings. So what it's going to do is take you across to a page like this, and from here you want to scroll down the page until you see the option to download your information. So if you just keep scrolling through, and underneath the your information section, you're going to see an option here to download your information. So just go ahead, give that a press. And now, as you can see, because Facebook is part of Meta, this now needs to be done in the account center. So to do that, you want to press the blue continue button. And this is going to take you across directly to the download page. So all you need to do from here, as you can see, your information includes things that you shared, your activity, and things that we collect. So what you want to do is press the download or transfer information button just underneath, just down here. Then it's going to ask how much information do you want. So in this example, I'm going to select available information, which is going to download all available information. Now what you can do is choose to download this to your device, or you can alternatively transfer this to a destination. So for example, something like a Google Drive or Dropbox. So what I'm going to do is select download to device and then come down and press next at the bottom. So at this point, it's going to ask to create files to download. So when your download is ready, we'll send you a notification. For security, you will only have 4 days to download your files. So from here, you want to check under notify and make sure you do have access to that email address. So that's going to be the one linked to your account. Then what you can do is choose the date range for the information you want to download, whether that's for the last year, the last couple of months, or for all time. Just bear in mind that the longer the date ranges for the information you request will of course take longer to download. Now once you've done that, just come down and go ahead and press the blue create files button. So what that's going to do is just take a minute or two to prepare and get ready. As you can see, it's going to take you back to this screen and it's going to say your in progress downloads and transfers need to finish before you can request a new download or transfer. And as you can see, if we scroll down slightly, you can see this is currently in progress, available information download, and you can see this was requested on the 16th of July. So that is how to download Facebook information. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.